Hello lovely people and welcome back to my channel. I didn't know whether to call this one save your money, like don't buy cheap clothes from sketchy websites, is Romwe a scam, or like general try on haul with me. But rest assured this video is all of those things, so don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a feeling this is going to be an interesting one. I'm a little bit skeptical. I got my package, so yeah. Enjoy. I actually wasn't intending on doing a haul. I had seen a few YouTubers order from Romwe. I don't know if like they were sponsored or whatever, but I saw the clothes and they were literally like $4 and some of them looked okay. So I sussed out the website. I went on. To be fair, the website isn't as bad as I thought. Like I usually get a little bit like weird about these huge websites with so much stuff. Like even ASOS, like I just feel stressed because I want to look at everything on the website. And I feel like I'm going around in circles and everything, so this one was okay. Like it was pretty organized, categorized, like whatever. Also, there was like a little banner at the top that was like screaming at me, and it was like, spend over this much and get this much off. And I was like, okay, so like spend over $80, you get $8 off or whatever. And then it was like, spend over $109 and you can get express shipping. So I spent over $109. It actually came in like a couple days. Like I spent like literally $110 just to get that express shipping. It came in less than a week. So that was pretty good. But this is what it came in. And if I remember correctly, I ordered a hat. I don't know how this is gonna fit in here. Like I've heard that sometimes if they don't have all the stock together, they can like send it in like a few packages, which I could imagine as being annoying. But I think they sent everything to me, so let's see how the hat came in here. Oh dear God. So let's just go through one item at a time. I have all my stuff that I ordered down on my laptop, so I'm going to be referring to that so I can tell you how much things were. I ordered a bow band straw boater hat. It was $9.89 from, okay, it says this was from $26.99, but it says like everything was on discount, so I studied marketing and it was never $26.99. But this is my hat. Yeah. So this is what it looks like on the website, and obviously, I mean, what did I really expect? I mean, I could have expected something because it was $9.89. Like something's literally $3. So I don't even know how to fix this. This one's gonna have to go back. I thought it was gonna be really cute. Okay, well that's the first item. Do I like it? Do I think it's worth its money? Absolutely not. We are not on a good start. This was a cami dress. It was $9.09 from $25.99. I thought it was really cute. It looks really cute on the website. I thought it could go with my boater hat, but obviously not. Oh my God. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like literally so raw. Like they didn't even stitch this. This literally looks like a Hessian bag. Like I could put my potatoes in this. This is not usually how I shop. Like I would rather save my money to get like a few nicer items. However, like I'm always down for a sale. And if you can get something that looks expensive, that's actually not expensive, like you could always like dress it up even more with like some really nice accessories, or just like rock it like it is expensive, because like if it looks like that, like no one's gonna be like, this Romwe dress. Okay, let's try this one on and see how it goes. So aside from the fact that I was literally like sweating putting this like passion sack on, yeah, it's very tight, it's very thin. I felt like I was gonna pinch myself. I couldn't even fully do up the zipper, but my butt literally looks like a pancake. Like I just feel like it's just being flattened by the second. Okay, so next item is this little like black top that I got. It says self-tie shoulder smocked top, and it was $8.99. It literally says Shein, so like I don't know if you know that, but that's like another website that's like Romwe. So this is sus. Okay, it looks kind of cute. Honestly, I probably could have gone a size down, but like I was very sus about the sizing, especially because like it seems like it's from an Asian website, so sometimes it can be a little bit smaller. But yeah, let's see what this one looks like on. Okay, this is the top. Look, it definitely had potential, but I don't know what's happening with like all this extra fabric here, but it's just like kind of making me look like I have these like
rolls, and this is cute, like the side tie. It might be like a little bit long, but definitely stretchy. I don't know, it had potential, but it's probably gonna be a no.
Obviously I was really loving this kind of like print when I was shopping, but I say zipper fly pants. They were $13.59 from $38.99, bargain. Another thing that I forgot to mention about this website, like a lot of people leave reviews, and at first I was like, oh, like maybe the people who started the website are writing these reviews, but I found it really helpful when actual people posted photos in the review section, because that actually deterred me from like a lot of items. Like it looked really cute on the photo or the model or whatever, but I scrolled down and people were like, this is not the same. Like here's a photo of it on me, and I was like, oh god. So look at the reviews. And these are, they look cute. I like them. They're kind of like a cropped, like kind of like a work pant look. So I can imagine these with like some heels or whatever. But let's see what these look like on.
They're actually not too bad. Like I think they're actually not bad quality. The only thing is, like, they feel so cold. Like, not because it's cold outside, but they, like, literally the material feels cold. So I don't know why. Wait, let me try this with like some heels. We could get that like little work thing going. Yes, okay, I can see this being a thing. I put them with some like 9 West, like, I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, I love the like crop look. I love the high-waisted. Probably not with this top, obviously, but I think they're cute.
Next we have a vintage print crop halter top. This one was $6.69, so a little bit of a bargain. Now I love the look of this top. I've actually done this with like quite a few bandanas. Like I love that bandana style top, so I was like down for it. I'm guessing you just like tie it around the top, tie it around the bottom. But I'm gonna have to say, on the website it looks like a bright red. This is like definitely like a burgundy, like wine red kind of color, so that wasn't as spot on, but it looks cute nevertheless.
This is a like bandeau top. I mean, not bandeau top, sorry, bandana top. I think it's not that bad. The cut is a little bit off. It is very cropped, so you definitely like have to wear it. Like these are pretty high-waisted already. You definitely have to wear it with something high, but like for a festival like backless look, I think that's a thing.
We have a few swimsuits. I got a black one and like a kind of olivey greeny grey one. These were both, okay, the black one was $7.99 and the green one was $9.79. Like, what makes you choose these random numbers? So for these ones, obviously there's no return, so I looked really hard at the reviews and they seemed pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to try them on for you. Alright, next we have a bralette. This one was $4.19 and it's an embroidered rose applique lace bralette. Looks a little bit flimsy but kind of cute. I could see this as a festival look.
Okay, I didn't think I was going to show you this, but it actually covers like a lot more than I thought. The only thing is, it's very flimsy. Like, I feel like if I'm at a festival and I'm like dancing around, like something's gonna fall out. You know what you could do? You could totally wear this under like a mesh top, because the roses would come out, and I don't know how I feel about these. Maybe I'd like tuck them back here. But it's not bad. It is not bad.
This is a D-ring belted frayed denim skirt. Looks super cute on the website. It is $15.99. The thing that I thought from reading the comments was that it's really hard to tie up. So let's see how that fits on and how I've managed to tie that. But so far, like, give it a little iron and it actually looks alright. It looks pretty big, to be honest.
I don't think it's that bad. I don't really know how this little like tassel-y thing, like this little tie thing, I don't even know if I did it right, but like it seems pretty similar. I don't know, I don't think it's really doing much for me.
The next item is a off-the-shoulder single-breasted blouse. Now the inspiration I got from this when I was buying a Gucci belt, which is like literally my like pride and joy. It's so long to get. I was on like pre-orders, wait lists, all this stuff, saved up all my money. I was looking at like outfit inspo and I saw this picture here that I put up. And I was like, yes, like this off-the-shoulder look, like Gucci belt, you know. It looked really good on someone in the reviews, so I was like, why not?
I mean, this is literally what I envisioned, like, when I bought this. I think it's pretty cute. Like, the details of the side are really nice. It is, like, pretty low. Like, if you want to wear it off the shoulder, like, there is some serious cleavage there. But I think it's a look. Yeah, let's keep this one.
The last item I got was this pinafore denim dress with pockets, and I was like, yes, this looks so cute. Like, throw a little colored t-shirt in, or like maybe even a turtleneck. You could wear this with tights. The denim quality is actually not bad.
I don't know, like, they have all this like extra material, and I could just imagine like it always popping out. Like, I don't know how to just stay. I don't know, it's just not really doing much for my body shape, so it's probably a no.
Okay, so all in all, would I order from there again? Probably not. Like, there were definitely a few items, but like for the amount of effort that I went into like pick things, put it in my cart, try them all on, decide that they don't all fit, like I probably wouldn't buy from there again. In my opinion, like if you can buy like one item instead of 4 items, but that item like really fits well, it's like really good quality, I would definitely go for that. But to get like 12 items, I was like, okay, either select your items really well or just don't buy from Romwe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. I have some other cool videos coming up. I'm getting a vlogging camera, so I'm like very excited. I'm gonna go to Coachella and spring break and all that good stuff. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for those. And yeah, I'll probably see you next week with my next one. See ya!